Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to hide one friend on Facebook. So in order to hide a specific friend on Facebook, first thing first, what you'll need to do is you need to update your application and also check for an internet connection. After you're done updating your application, click the open button and then log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. Now right on this page, go to the tab bar icon from the top and click the gear icon. So basically you will not be able to hide just a specific friend or just one particular friend. So in order to hide your friend list, you'll have to do it for entire friend list that's on your Facebook. So in order to do this, you'll have to scroll down and you'll need to go to audience and visibility section. Under it, click on how people find and contact you. On this page, you'll need to go ahead and select who can see your friend list, and for that you could just tap the arrow icon and you'll have to make it private. For that's only me. As soon as you make only me, none of your friend list will be able to see who is actually on your friend list or the members that's on your friend list. Even though if he or she is in your friend list, they'll not be able to see how many people or contacts are on your friend list. Apart from it, if you want to hide a particular contact, you can simply go ahead and look for the username on the Facebook. So you can just tapping the search bar from the top, and here you can go ahead and type in their name. So let's say that this is the particular contact. You don't have to be friends with them in order to text them or in order to stay in contact with them. Just tap the message button and it's going to direct you to their messenger page. So from here you can start chatting with the particular contact, and that's basically how you can hide one friend on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.